Bev. And
yes, go.
Thanks a lot first for that session. So I think I'm going to start on Monday actually now, or even this afternoon, to have like dedicated slots for specific tasks to really be focused on that, and just to close Outlook, Slack, WhatsApp, or whatsoever, to make sure that really to focus during that dedicated time on something.
In my case, for example, I would say I completely agree with Sonia. I think like all kind of like cut down of communication really helps. But I also noticed that every single session or like time frame of 45 minutes, I could have less capacity to keep the focus. So I started really well, but the last one I was like dropping down in terms of energy or like capacity to focus. So I guess that it's related as well with the fact of when you were talking before about like breaking down right in different goals during the session, probably to order it in a way that the most important ones are the ones that you tackle in the first session and the second, and it keeps losing, you know, like importance.
The fact we do it all together is very encouraging and motivating too. So thank you.
Halfway through, I already thought, wow, I have so much done.
Yes,
I didn't finish everything. So yeah, I agree with Lisardo, said probably I start with the easiest. So rather the other way around. But also I realized, because some things I needed information from other people, which makes even more sense to break it down in small pieces. So I realized I couldn't finish everything right now because I was stuck on something. So yeah, to anticipate that better. So when I have my dedicated time, I can then really finish it off.
I think this in the 3 weeks that we've been working from home, this was my first morning that I didn't have any meetings with like internally or externally, and I think just to block that time was so nice.
For just 1 minute over time, I thought maybe I could pick up a body or two and just like do one morning next week, you know?
Yes,
people and block the agenda with them to keep that alive.